Welcome to 2026, where productivity is just about working harder, but working smarter with seamless AI integration. Imagine Excel sheets that build themselves. With a simple voice command, complex formulas are generated and massive datasets are cleaned instantly. Data flows effortlessly from your CRM into interactive dashboards, removing the need for manual input and human error entirely. But it doesn't stop there. AI agents now manage your entire project life cycle, coordinating updates while simultaneously debugging complex code. Automated reports are generated and delivered across team channels, ensuring everyone stays aligned without you ever lifting a finger. By automating the routine, you are free to focus on what truly matters: strategy, high-level creativity, and human leadership. Master your workflow. Embrace AI 2026. The future of work is already here.